Welcome back to another Dollar Tree craft video. Today I'm using this $5 serving tray I found in the Dollar Tree Plus aisle, along with some Dollar Tree winter wall decals and fake snow to create a winter serving tray and coaster set. I painted the serving tray white. It was a plain wood color before. I then laid down the winter decal, making sure to place it somewhere in the middle because I knew I wanted to put snow on the bottom of the tray. Next up, I made my resin mixture and added in the fake snow. I have found that it is easier to add the fake snow into the resin mixture instead of putting the resin down first and pouring the snow on top. When the snow is mixed in the resin, it will create more of a flat surface. And if you were to just pour snow on top of the mixture, the flakes of snow would not lay flat and leave you with a more bumpy surface. I love finding DIY crafts and gift ideas on a budget from the Dollar Tree, and have more coming your way. Click the subscribe button below to be one of the first to see what next week's craft will be. But first, back to this craft. I then poured 2 cups of resin, one just a clear gloss, and the other I mixed in silver glitter to give more of a snow effect for the top half of the serving tray. I wanted to leave the center with the blue trees clear and more visible as opposed to putting the resin glitter all over them. Just a helpful tip, which I'm sure everyone knows, but make sure you're doing these types of projects on a flat surface. Any bit of height difference will make the serving tray hard and uneven, leaving whatever you sit on the tray unbalanced and roll. Lastly, 24 hours later, after the resin hardened, I added one more coat over the whole tray to make sure it was all even and sealed in. Next up, I wanted to make a matching coaster set to the serving tray. I put the mold I was using to the wall decal and traced around it with a sharp cutting blade. Depending on what scene I wanted on the coasters is where I would cut. After all 4 were cut, it was time to add the fake snow and resin mixture to the top of the molds with the clear resin at the bottom so you can clearly see the winter trees. After 24 hours of the resin hardening, I took them out of the molds and felt the back of the coasters. They were still sticky from the wall decal, so I decided to put a thin layer of resin on the back to get the adhesive to go away. Lastly, for finishing touches, I used a silver acrylic paint pen to paint around the coaster. In the end, I love this project, and it will be gifted to someone that isn't all about Christmas, but loves winter and the many shades of blue. I hope you found this DIY helpful, and see that many crafts projects and gift ideas can be found from the Dollar Tree. You just gotta look around and see what sparks an idea for you. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next week for another Dollar Tree craft. See ya!